Welcome to you in 10th lecture of the basic concept of chemistry. The topics of this video: solution, solute and solvent, mass percent and volume percent, mass volume percent, ppm strength and gram per liter strength. Now we go, what is solution? The first topic, what is solution? This is, mixtures two types, and mixture is two type. They are homogeneous mixture and they are heterogeneous mixture. क्लियर? ये हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं द टाइप्स ऑफ मैटर. जब हमने बताया था प्योर सब्सटेंसेस एंड मिक्सचर्स, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ substances, that is matter, and mixtures again two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. This homogeneous mixture is said to be solution. Clear? What is solution? A homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is called solution. Clear? What means of homogeneous? Homogeneous means the composition of or ratio of mixed substances in a mixture is uniform in whole mixture. For example, the sugar solution. In sugar solution, distribution of sugar and water in whole solution is alike. It's uniform. कोई भी पार्ट आप लीजिए, हर पार्ट में शुगर और सॉल्यूशन में जो वाटर है उन दोनों का रेशियो आपका फिक्स रहेगा. ठीक है ना? तो रेशियो ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स is constant, is uniform in whole mixture. Then it is said to be homogeneous mixture and is said to be solution. Clear? And its components are called solute and solvents. If solution has two components, then it is called binary solution. Binary solution. Binary solution means having two components. In the same ternary means three components and so on, vice versa. Clear? In this chapter, generally we study for the binary solutions. It's two components. These components are called solute and solvent. Clear? That is solute plus solvent is called solution. Clear? So we can say components of solution are called solute and solvent. Clear? If physical state of both is same, like both are both are liquid, both are gases, then in this case a component in large quantity is said to be solvent and less quantity is said to be solute. Clear? If components have same physical state, both are liquid, like alcohol and water. If you mix alcohol and water, then component in a large quantity is called solvent and less quantity is called solute. Clear? When physical states are different, like sugar and water, then solvent is component in which physical state remains constant. In the sugar solution, the water is liquid and also liquid in the solution, but physical state of sugar is changed. So sugar is said to be solute and water is said to be solvent. Clear? This is a solution. Now how you express concentration of solution? There are so many methods. Clear? There are methods for representation of concentration of solution. Clear? There's so many methods in which one is the mass percent, other is the volume percent, other is the mass volume percent, and the ppm strength, and the gram per liter strength, and there are also mole fraction. Mole fraction. And the next, molality. And the molarity. And the 9, normality. These are methods for showing concentration of solution. We go for some important methods. In this video, we study for some methods like their first is the mass percent. Mass percentage, also called weight percent or W by W percent. Clear? W by W. ये क्या होता है? Really, ग्राम वेट या ग्राम मास of solute and 100 gram of solution is called mass percent, that is W by W. What will be formula? Their mass percent is equal to really gram mass of solute upon gram mass of solution into 100. Solution is solute plus solvent both. So you can write also gram mass of solute upon gram mass of solute plus gram mass of solvent into 100. In this way you can write. Solution means solute plus solvent. Clear? This is a plus sign. Now, एक चीज यहाँ और मेमोरी में रखिएगा. The ratio gram mass of solute upon gram mass of solution, it is also called mass fraction. This value, this is also called mass fraction. Clear? Their mass fraction is a word which is the gram weight of solute upon gram weight of solution. It is called mass fraction. Clear? Of solute. Now we go some examples. See here. There. 2.5 gram NaCl is dissolved into 500 gram of a solution. Find mass percent. Clear? How you find? Here, there. You find it with the formula. You know, mass percent is equal to gram weight of solute. What is the solute? NaCl. So they are 2.5 and solution is 500 gram into 100. First you write the formula. Hence gram weight of solute upon gram weight of solution into 100. Then you put the values. Clear? Then these are divided and there your answer will be 0.5% by mass. Is rule लिखे by mass. Unit is compulsory an answer. Or there you can write 0.5% W by W. Clear? We see another question. Yeah. 300 gram ethanol is mixed into 700 gram of water to prepare solution. Find mass percent. How you find mass percent? Their formula is mass percent is equal to gram weight of solute upon gram weight of solution into 100. Solution means solute plus solvent. Remember to it, solute is ethanol here and 700 gram water, not solution. Water is solvent. So you write 300 upon 300 plus 700. This is solution. Solution means addition of solute plus solvent. In the previous question, their gram weight of solution was given, but there gram weight of solvent is given. So they are 300 upon 1000 into 100. These zeros cancel and they are 30%. Clear? By mass or W by W. In the same way, we go next formula. Next heading, the volume percent. Volume percent. It is generally taken when both components are liquid or both components are gases. Clearly? Now they are volume of solute in 100 volumes of solution is called volume percent, or we can say V by V. V by V. W by W means weight by weight. V by V means volume by volume. So their formula will be volume percentage is equal to volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Clear? Solution means again solute plus solvent. So you can write volume of solute upon volume of solute plus volume of solution, solvent into 100. क्लियर? तो यहाँ सॉल्यूशन की जगह हम लोगों को क्या करना है, सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट दोनों के वॉल्यूम लेने हैं, जस्ट लाइक मास परसेंट. ठीक मास परसेंट की तरह ही क्वेश्चंस होने हैं यहाँ पर, बस यहाँ केवल आपको वॉल्यूम रिप्लेस करना है और कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना। Suppose 100 ml acetic acid is mixed into 400 ml water in a solution. Find volume percent. Then what will be volume percent? The volume of solute upon volume of solution. Solution means solvent plus solute. Clear? Remember to it, both volume will be in same unit. Both will be in milliliter or liter. ये नहीं कि 1 milliliter liter में हो. Both should be in same unit. Their volume of solute is given 100 ml and volume of solution is sum of volume of acetic acid and volume of water. That is 100 plus 400 into 100. It's 100 upon 500 into 100. The zeros cancel there. 20% by volume or 20% V by V can write. Clear? Now we go. Another method for concentration. Next there, mass volume percentage. Mass volume percent. Clear? That is W by V. One thing is taken in the gram and another in milliliter. They are W by V. Clear? The gram weight of solute in 100 milliliter of solution is called mass volume percent. यानी कि सॉल्यूशन के 100 ml में मुझे चेक करना है what is the gram weight of solute. That is called mass volume percent. So what will be formula? Mass volume percentage is equal to gram weight or gram mass of solute upon milliliter volume of solution into 100. We go one example also. We have 40 gram glucose is dissolved into 800 milliliter of solution. Find mass volume percent. Clear? Now, solve the question. The gram weight of solute. Solute is the glucose, and it is given 40 gram. It is, if it is taken given in the kilogram or other units, milligram, then you change in the gram. Then you put the value. Clear? And there, this is given 800 milliliter. इसको milliliter में ही रखना है. And you multiply by 100. Now these are cancelled. Check. 8 5s are 40. They are 5% W by V. W by V, that is mass volume percent. Clear? Now we go next. ppm strength of solution. ppm ये उस समय हम लोग लेते हैं when solute is present in very little traces, बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी इसकी हो सॉल्यूशन में, तब हम लोग इसको यूज करते हैं. क्लियर? इट इज टेकन व्हेन solute is present in traces, बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी हो उस समय इसको यूज करते हैं. जैसे पॉल्यूशन को हम लोग शो करते हैं कि व्हाट इज द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ SO2, व्हाट इज द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ डस्ट पार्टिकल्स इन द एयर. जैसे पॉल्यूशन देखते हैं, व्हाट इज द डस्ट पॉल्यूशन, तो डस्ट ट्रेसेस में हमारे पास में SO2 ट्रेसेस में, तो उसके लिए हम लोग इन सब चीजों का यूज करते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? एक्चुअली में अभी तक हम लोग इसे 100 ml में यूज कर रहे थे, 10 to power 6 में यूज करेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पर. रियली अमाउंट या पार्ट्स आप कह सकते हैं, पार्ट्स ऑफ solute in 10 to power 6 parts of solution is called ppm strength. क्लियर? पार्ट्स की बात कही है, पार्ट्स में भी ग्राम वेट, ठीक, में भी वॉल्यूम एंड सो ऑन. तो इट इज आल्सो ऑफ 3 टाइप्स, W by W, W by V and V by. क्लियर? ये मास में देखें हम लोग तो ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ppm strength is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution in 10 to power 6. सेम फॉर्मूला है मास परसेंटेज का, बस 100 की जगह 10 to power 6 मिलियंस में लेना है हमको यहाँ पर. क्लियर? वॉल्यूम ऑफ solute upon volume of solution into 10 to power 6. In the same way, gram weight of solute upon milliliter volume of solution into 10 to power 6. क्लियर? इनकी न्यूमेरिकल जस्ट उसी तरह से आपकी होनी है जैसे परसेंटेज के हमारे हो रहे थे. नाउ वी गो नेक्स्ट. ग्राम पर लीटर स्ट्रेंथ. It is generally also written by a capital S. Its definition is clear from its name. It's very easy. Gram weight of solute in 1 liter of solution. That is the definition. Gram weight of solute in 1 liter of a solution is called gram per liter strength of solution. That is unit is gram per liter. What is formula? Gram per liter strength to gram weight of solute upon liter volume, not milliliter. Remember to liter में लेना है. Liter volume of solution. Clear? यहाँ किसी से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है आपको. क्लियर हो गया? That is, and it is also equal to, यदि आपको मास वॉल्यूम परसेंट गिवन है तो 10 का मल्टीप्लाई करिए 10 का, ये आपका आ जाएगा 10 इंटू मास वॉल्यूम percentage. I will go one question. (20 gram potassium carbonate is dissolved into 500 milliliter of a solution. Find gram per liter strength. Now we go on question by the formula. The mass of solute is given 20 gram, but mass of solution is given in milliliter, and in formula you require in liter. Clear? So their volume of solution is given 500 milliliter. इसको लीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, क्या होगा? 500 upon 1000 लीटर. Clear? Now by the formula, gram per liter strength is equal to gram weight of solute, that is potassium carbonate, upon liter volume of solution. So they are 20 upon 500 upon 1000. That is 20 upon 500 into 1000. Clear? Now it is 5 2 ja 10. That's 40 gram per liter. That is the answer. Clear? This is the question. इस तरह से आप सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. Now we go to another question. Find gram per liter strength when mass volume percentage is 3.6 gram per 3.6%. ये आपको फाइंड करना है. इट्स वेरी इजी. यहाँ क्या करना है आपको? ग्राम पर लीटर स्ट्रेंथ में 10 into W/V%. That is 10 into 3.6. That is 36 ग्राम पर लीटर. तो ये आपके न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं. इनको खिलौनों की तरह लीजिए और सॉल्व करिए बुक से, आप अपने हल बुक से. क्लियर? और एंजॉय करिए और इंतजार करिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो का.